Origami is the ancient art of paper folding, and today we're going to be making a frog using some origami. Now the name origami comes from Japanese origins, but that's not necessarily where origami came from. We actually don't know who came up with it first, because it's so old. But you can do it without anything other than a piece of paper and some knowledge. So that's the good news with that. You don't have to know where it came from, but it's always a fun fact to find out. So we have some paper here. This is some square paper, which comes from an origami paper kit. You can get these at the craft supply stores or online or anything like that. But you might not have a square piece of paper, so you might have just like a regular sheet of paper. We can make that square with no problem because we have scissors. So if you have scissors, you can do this too. That's all you need. The easiest way to make a piece of paper square is to take the edge of it and line it up with another edge. So I'm taking like the top or bottom edge here of this piece of 9x12 paper, and I'm just going to line it up really nicely with the other edge, and I'm going to press that down like that. And then this extra bit here, this is what I'm going to need to cut off. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just cut that off. Now, it's not going to be perfect if I don't take my time and square it all up, but you know what? Nothing has to be perfect. So, square piece of paper. And that is all you need right there for origami. I'm going to work with a green one today, though, because we're making a frog, and why not? So, we're going to start by taking this, and we're going to fold the paper in half. I'm going to press it down with my nail to get a nice solid crease, and then open it up. And this is called a reverse fold. You flip it over, and you fold it again on the same exact crease that you just made. Just go in the opposite direction. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to be getting this ready for something called a mountain fold. Now I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to fold it from top to bottom now. And I'm going to do a reverse fold on that as well. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to have two creases making a big plus sign across the paper. From here, we're going to go diagonally. We're going to make the top corner touch the bottom corner on the opposite side. Get a nice diagonal fold here. And we're going to reverse fold that one too. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other corners. So this is my diagonal crease going from here to here, and I'm going to make these two corners touch each other as well. Trying to line them up and do a reverse fold on that. Alrighty, now our paper is ready for the mountain fold. The mountain fold is the trickier part of this one, because we need to make these two edges go in, these two folds go in, and these two sides become our two fat triangles on either side. So, looks like that. This is why they call it the mountain fold, because when you're done, it looks kind of like you've got a mountain, actually two mountains right next to each other, like that. So, we're going to start now with the front legs of our frog. I'm going to take this corner of my top mountain, and I'm going to fold it up and make it touch the peak of the mountain. Like so. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to be doing some symmetry here, some symmetrical folds, mirror images of each other, like that. So these are going to be our frog's front legs. Now we're going to fold it about halfway down. I'm going to fold these edges down to make flaps like that. And then I'm going to take the front, this section here, and I'm going to fold that back towards the front. And these are going to make the toes of the front legs of our frog, like so. Now I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to work on the back legs of our frog. I'm going to take this edge of our mountain here, and I'm going to line it up with the crease that's going from the top to the bottom of this side, like so. I'm going to do the same thing with the other edge. I'll line that up with that center part, like so. And then we're going to fold this back over onto itself. So I'm going to make this edge line up with this edge, this fold we just made, on both of them. Like so. And I'm going to take this one, I'm going to fold that one in as well, like so. Alrighty. Now, we have the basic shape of the frog. This frog, when we're done with it, is going to jump, so that's what we're going to do now. We're going to make this frog look like it can jump. So, there is this space here between the bottom edge of this part of the fold and where this lines up here. And I'm going to fold that part in half. So we're just going to fold up the back legs of our frog, and now we've got a frog with his back legs sticking up in the air who has ceased to be. Looks like a dead frog. But we don't want it to be a dead frog. Let's give it some life. We're going to take this space here, and we're going to fold this back down so that this edge here touches this crease we just made. We're going to press that down. And voila, now our frog's legs are in the right position. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to just pull out on the back legs a little bit so I get something that looks like a 90-degree angle here and a 90-degree angle there. Makes that nice shape there. And that's going to give our frog the ability to jump. Just press down on the back and slide your finger back and whoop. Hop away, frog. Well, that's origami. You can use some paper for that. As long as it's square, doesn't matter what kind it is. I hope you have fun. Remember, if you're having trouble because I'm going too fast, pause the video after each step. Do your fold, and then join me again. Good luck, have fun, and keep making some cool stuff.
If you like this video, please hit the like button below. You can also subscribe to sterbART to be notified of the latest video uploads and to help support the channel. Keep learning, creating, and inspiring.